I want improve English. I enjoy learn and I practice to speak every day.
Practice to speak or practice speaking?
Oh, this is where English becomes more natural, more fluid, because now we are not just using verbs, we are turning actions into things. Learning, practicing, improving. These are gerunds.
And you can hear Emma. She wants to talk about her journey, learning, growing, changing. But the structure is breaking.
And this is very common because gerunds feel unusual. A verb acting like a noun. And when you don't use them correctly, your sentence feels incomplete.
Yeah, it's like the action is there, but the form is not right.
All right, I'm Zivara, and today we fix something very important. How to talk about actions as ideas. This is day 26, and today is about gerunds. This is where your English starts sounding smooth, because now you can say things like, I enjoy learning, I keep practicing, and that's how real conversations sound.
I'm Oren, and yeah, this is powerful. Because this is how people talk about habits, growth, progress.
Let's feel these words as actions that continue. Improve to improving. I am improving. I am improving. Practice to practicing. I keep practicing. I keep practicing. Learn to learning. I enjoy learning. I enjoy learning.
Now the next one's develop to developing. I am developing my skills. I am developing my skills. Grow to growing. I am growing. I am growing. Change to changing. I am changing. I am changing.
Notice something. These are not just actions. They are processes.
Yeah, ongoing, continuous.
Now, this is the key. Some verbs are followed by ing. I enjoy learning. I keep practicing. I finish studying. And this is where Emma struggled. You don't say, I enjoy learn. You say, I enjoy learning.
And you don't say, I practice to speak. You say, I practice speaking. So the pattern is verb plus ing. Once you feel it, it becomes natural.
All right, now let's step into that moment again. And this time, listen carefully to how Emma talks about her learning journey. Because this is not just about actions, this is about progress. What she is doing, again and again, over time.
Yeah, imagine this. You are talking about improving yourself, learning something new, practicing every day, trying to grow. And when you describe that, you need smooth, natural structures. Otherwise, your message feels broken. Just listen.
I want improve my English. And I enjoy learn new things.
Okay.
I practice to speak every day. And I keep to practice.
Practice to speak?
Yes, I am develop my skills. And I grow every day.
All right.
I try improve. And I finish to learn one lesson.
I understand, but your sentences feel a bit off.
All right, let's fix this together and make the flow smooth. Emma said, I want to improve my English. Yeah, this one feels incomplete. A more natural way would be, I want to improve my English.
Then, I enjoy learn new things. We fix it clearly. I enjoy learning new things.
Then, I practice to speak every day, and I keep to practice. We improve the pattern. I practice speaking every day, and I keep practicing.
Then, I am develop my skills. We fix it. I am developing my skills.
And finally, I try improve, and I finish to learn one lesson. We make it natural. I try to improve, and I finish learning one lesson.
And this is the key. Gerunds make your English flow. They connect actions smoothly.
I want to improve my English. And I enjoy learning new things.
That's clear.
I practice speaking every day. And I keep practicing.
Nice.
I am developing my skills. And I grow every day.
Good.
I try to improve. And I finish learning one lesson.
Now I understand everything.
Now you can feel the flow. Smooth. Connected.
Yeah, natural, continuous. All right, your turn. Focus on smooth actions. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I keep practicing every day. I keep practicing every day. I am improving slowly. I am improving slowly. I am developing my skills. I am developing my skills. I am growing every day. I am growing every day. I am changing my habits. I am changing my habits.
All right, let's bring this into real life. Imagine someone asks you, "How are you improving your English?" Before you say, "I learn, I practice, I improve." Simple, but not smooth. But now you say, "I enjoy learning, I keep practicing, I am improving." And suddenly, your message feels alive. I remember this very clearly. When I first started learning something new, I used short, broken sentences. I learn, I try, I stop. And it worked, but it didn't feel natural. Then I started using gerunds. I enjoy learning. I keep practicing. I am improving. And everything changed. My sentences felt smoother. My thoughts felt connected. And most importantly, I felt more confident. And that's the shift you are building now. Not just speaking, but flowing.
Yeah, and that's the difference. Not separate actions, but continuous growth.
All right, let's take a second. Before today, your sentences felt broken.
Now, they feel smooth and connected.
Today, you can now talk about your growth, smoothly and naturally. This is real communication.
Smooth, natural, continuous.
See you in day 27.